Hi, this is Mary from Second Time Tech, and well, you can see what the video is going to be about because it's right there. It's the case that I got. It's by DeepCool. It's the Matrexx 70, and there's a few reasons why I got that one. I did tell you, I think in the last video, that that's what this video would be about, and then my next video should be the laptop / notebook that I'll be getting tomorrow, because this actually came a day late. It was supposed to be on Wednesday, came on Thursday, which is today. Anyway, I guess the best thing to do first would be to unbox it. So I might be out of frame for a few minutes, but I will unbox it. And it'll probably be a little loud, because it usually is. Well, I'll probably cut a bit of that out because I knocked the sign off the... Anyway, this is the case. And the reason why I got the case was because it has a lot of well, it was supposed to have a lot of trays in it for hard drives, but I don't see them. That was my full intention of getting it, was because they had a whole bunch of trays in it, but I don't see any trays, which is kind of weird. Maybe they got them hidden away. Take the back and look. That's strange. On the one that I saw, the one I saw online had a whole row of trays right up in here. There's a whole row of trays sitting right there. Now, on this one, all it is the three little trays here. But on mine, it was from there to about there. It was full of trays. So I'm kind of a little confused at what the heck's going on here. There's glass in a few places. It's got glass on the front, glass on this side. The back panel is a piece of metal. And then there's glass here, so there's 3 pieces of glass on it. It does have air vents here, so that if you put your fans up in here, it'll get the air through the sides, which is a good thing there, because you don't want to have like no airflow through there. And then on the bottom, there's the whole bottom of it has got like vents in it for air. So, and then the top has a bunch of vents for air on the top too. So it's got a good way to get air all the way around in it, but it doesn't have all the trays that I wanted. I wanted 6 bays, and I've only got 3. Maybe it's a option to buy another one of those. I'm not sure. They didn't. No, they sent a little thing, but they didn't send a book. Well, what I was looking for was, I wanted something that had a place to put 4 3.5-inch drives, so that I could use this case for my my NAS that I wanted to build also. And I was going to get a dedicated single board computer to run the NAS, and then just like install it inside there, and then have the drives in there. But it would be running like on its own, as opposed to be running through the Threadripper system. So now, because it only holds 2 hard disk drives, that makes it not good for what I want. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go back online and see if I can find out what I did. Maybe I ordered the wrong thing, it is possible. But I know I've been looking at the pictures a bunch of times, and I know I saw a whole rack of drive bays there, because the case is extra long, and it's made for an E-ATA case, extended ATA, motherboard, which the Threadripper motherboards mostly are. I think, well, there's one, I don't know, was it micro ATX or a mini ITX, but I don't want that. The board I want is Asus Prime. So, and that's an E-ATX motherboard. So anyway, I guess I will get back to you. This is not what I was expecting at all. Not even close. I'm kind of wondering what was going on. But anyway, I'll end.